Welcome you all for the session on Introduction to Network Layers. Basically, we'll try to cover the points like first we will see switching and the particular packet switching, as this is the basic mechanism of data delivery in the process of computer network layers. Then we'll focus on how the routers forwards the packets in a connection oriented packet switching network using the label on the packet and routing table. We'll try to understand the services already provided in the network layer like logical addressing, delivery at a source at each router and at the destinations. Then we'll try to cover issues or the services that are not directly provided in the network layer protocol but are sometimes provided by some auxiliary protocols or some protocols that are added later on to the internet services. Then we'll try to see the basic things. The overall agenda about this video is we'll try to have an introduction, then we'll try to have the different services provided by the network layers, and apart from this, what other layers that the network layers provides to the computer communication parts. So let's see the first side. At the conceptual level, we can think of a global internet, which is nothing but will be treated as a black box network that connects millions of computers in this world. So let's have a diagram to understand or to have more visualization on this. So this is what we will try to see. Entire network I'm treating as a black box, means hidden parts, and so many different layers are there which are working in the scenarios like physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, and then application layer from source side to the destination. So we basically type some message at the application level. The message will be broadcasted at the application layer at the destination side. So this is what the overall agenda tries to do on the network layer and layer approaches. So let's see. This we briefly discuss the service provided by the network layer. The services are like logical addressing, source computers, routers, and many parts. So this is what the normally happens. Service provider to the service provider connections. Next, logical address. Apart from this, the services which are provided by this is to network layer is like actually represent service that are normally discussed for the network layer, but they are either partially implemented at the network layer or not implemented at all. Some of the services are provided by some auxiliary protocols, by the protocols added to the internet later. Most of these issues resurface in the future chapters, so we'll try to understand the different scenario like flow control, error control, congestion control, routing, security. These are the basic parts which we need to take care while we are working on the networking layers. So this is what normally happens, the scenario: source to and destination address, the message which logically travels, or what we can say, this is what the virtual happens. But in case of reality, what we can see, the things, the layers which are service providers and the parts. So thank you. We'll wait for the next sessions.